And yun, nireview ko before from Aquaswiss is their new line, which is yung home line nila, right? But today, yung pag-uusapan natin is yung classic perfumes nila, which is this. Okay? Ito yung familiar tayong lahat because actually, college pa lang ako, I'm also a user of their brand. I have 5 cents in here na pag-uusapan natin. First is Sporty. This probably is my favorite at saka favorite nito ng kapatid ko. Kami ang kumalahati itong bote nito. Sobrang enjoy na enjoy kami. Para tong kaamoy nung nauso before na Aficionado F4 ba yun or F2, which is inspired by Polo Sport. Okay, sobrang bango nito. Soft, smooth, blue smelling, clean, amoy bagong ligo, pero in a very unique way. Like, pag naamoy mo to, alam mong siya yun. Okay, alam mo na this is Polo Sport. Fresh, mass appealing, yet very distinct. Na very timeless scent, in my opinion, kahit panahon pa itong mga batang 90s, ako millennial, Gen Z will still enjoy this scent because it's a timeless scent. This is my favorite sa lima na to. Highly recommend. Next is Deep Blue, which is inspired daw by Polo Blue, which is, I'm not sure about